So I just got this new bread box and thought I would open it up and see what all we have here. Show this to you. Wow. Okay, this feels really solid, like weighted, this wood lid, which is really nice. You know when you open something up and you just feel like the quality of it and you know it's like high quality? That's really nice. So you've got all of these like ridges here, and these two, of course, where you can slice the bread. This container is really pretty. It almost looks kind of vintage. I love that. It's going to go really well in my house. I have this bag. Yeah, little mesh bag. Then we have these other pieces inside. I will say this container is quite large, so you could put a very large loaf of bread in there. There's plenty of space. Let's go ahead and set these aside. Okay. We have two of these. And then, of course, the slicing walls. That's what I'm going to call them. I suppose you can just put them in either the inner part or like set them out depending on how large the loaf is or where you want the slices to be. Yeah, that kind of gives you a look at what that's like. It looks like this is like for a thicker slice here. You can see that these are all very similar in size, and when it gets to here, these are all very similar in size, but they're not maybe twice as thick or close to that is what that looks like. So it does give you different slice options, which is cool if you want to like have a thinner slice or a thicker slice. And then honestly, don't know what that's for. Those fit in the same. They don't fit into that crevice. Should. Let's see. Well, I guess maybe you can use it for holding the bread in place. I don't know. Somebody tell me what that is. But I'm really excited to use this. I really wanted it for slicing, but also I just really love the container. So that's pretty exciting. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you. Now you know everything that comes with it, and I hope you have a great day.